You will see the assembly of the JULI 3-in-1. Here are the included elements: rear axle with brake, frame, rain cover, wheels, wheel fastening elements, safety bar, 2-in-1 seat with safety harness, rod, canopy, cup holder, leg cover, car seat adapters, and mink car seat. To unfold the frame, tilt the lock button on the side of the handle and raise the frame up until you hear a click. Now the installation of the rear axle with the brake. Insert the free ends of the frame into the axle holes until you hear a click. The brake lever is located on the parent side. Now, installation of the rear wheels. Put the wheel on the protruding part of the rear axle. Then install, firstly the pin, the plastic cap, and the black masking cap. Press each of them. Repeat these steps with the other wheel. Simply slide on the front wheels until you hear a click. To remove them, push this button and pull. The rear wheels can be removed only with the axle. Press the locking pin and pull the axle out of the frame. In difficult terrain, the front wheels can be locked by moving the lever. To release the lock, move the lever back. To brake, press the pedal. Unlock the brake by lifting the pedal up. It's time to install the carry cot. Take the rod and push it into the openings on the frame. After mounting, the rod should be in this position. Now secure the position of the rod by means of the press studs. Release the backrest clamp. Shake out the bottom. Remove the harness from the carry cot. Push the plastic fastenings through these 5 slots. Then place the carry cot upside down and pull the straps out. It's time to mount the carry cot on the rack. Place the carry cot in the relevant openings. Click and you're done. Install it facing the parent. It's time to install the canopy. Place the hooks into the fixing elements in the pram frame. Then do the zip fastener around the carry cot. Install the safety bar. Just slip it into these holes. To remove it, press here. A leg cover is also included. Push it onto the pram and fasten the press studs on both sides. The upper portion of the cover can be wrapped around the bar and fastened. Or attached to the canopy. Put the rain cover on the canopy and the frame. Attach the cup holder on the left side of the pram. It's time to convert the pram into a stroller. Press the buttons on the sides and remove the carry cot. Fasten the 2 buckles under the seat together. Note, install the harness in the stroller. Tuck the fastenings into the holes and pull them through so that they are well secured. A properly mounted harness looks like this. It can be attached in 2 positions depending on the size of the child. Put the seat in the holes in the frame and tighten the strap on the backrest. The seat is adjustable in 3 positions: sitting, lying, and reclining, using the lever on the handle. You can place it facing the parent. It's time to install the car seat. Remove the seat. Install the adapters and the car seat facing the parent. You can stretch the canopy over the child. To remove the seat from the frame, press the buttons on both sides of the adapters and pull it out. Press this button to remove the seat adapters. The carry cot cover is washable. To remove it, firstly remove the safety harness, safety bar and canopy. Then release the press studs fixing the rod and undo the zip fastener around the frame. Unfasten the press studs on the sides of the carry cot and pull the tube out of the material. Detach the velcros on the underside of the cover and pull the back and seat supports. Installation takes place in reverse order. Note, the groove in the tube should be located at the top of the pram. Fold the stroller as follows. Remove the seat, press the lock on the handle and simultaneously press the button. Push the handle down. After folding, the frame has a lock on the side. And we are done with JULI. Enjoy!